So this is what we woke up to. We got us a little bit of snow to deal with this morning. But hey, it's a good day to kill an elk. This is what we signed up for. Saddle and just had a spike. It just had me glance down below, and a spike bull was running probably 400 yards away. I stopped him a couple times out in that opening, but I couldn't get the camera on him quick enough before he got into the black timber. We got ourselves a little bit of a heavy cloud cover and some more snow, so we're hunkering down. We can't see.
We truly are in the clouds.
Yeah.
You know, it's.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do.
We're at 9,300.
We're at 9,300 feet, and you had a weather radio.
Yeah.
Give us a little bit of insight, and it doesn't look that bad around us. So we're just waiting for these clouds to cover, and in the meantime, we're going to crank us up a fire. Well, we've been sitting around the fire for about 2 hours now. The snow has finally kind of stopped. Plenty has heard bull bugle twice. Toby heard it once below us down here. So that's encouraging that through all this kind of shaky weather, there's a bull somewhere below us that we can hear bugling. We're just being patient, trying to wait out the weather. That's part of it.
Day 694 on the mountain. We're about to die.
We're day 3 of hunting, and we are gonna break camp and put our camp on our back and be completely mobile the last 3 days. And then we're gonna go up on top, and then we're gonna kind of walk the peak, if you will, for the next couple days, hunting country we've never hunted before. All right, all we're leaving is footprints. Well, these elk are playing hard to kill. Now we're gonna continue to drop down, and we're gonna cross a creek, and we're gonna do a button hook around to the north. Check a camera. Well, no go on that setup. So we're gonna go up to the Salt Lick. We're 100 feet elevation underneath the Salt Lick. We're gonna go up there. There's a camera. We'll take a look at the pictures. See what there is to see. And we're in setup number 4, I think. We're up above the salt. Probably a quarter of a mile or more. And we checked the camera, and there was 3 spikes and some cows in today. A bunch of cows, and I just can't imagine a big herd of cows without a good-sized bull. Well, we got a bull bugling. He's up in front of us, about where we figured they would be, and he's probably half a mile away. We're probably going to have to make a move on him. Wind's finally shifting. It's starting to rain. Now the wind's coming down the mountain to us, so now we don't have to fear about being winded, but we got a lot of opening to cross without being picked up by the elk. We hustled and set up 3 tents about as fast as you could.
Quick work.
It is snowing. We put to bed 2 spikes, bulls up on the side of the mountain. Who knows what we're gonna find ourselves in the morning. It's day 6 on the mountain, day 5 of our hunt. And we're busting camp, tore the tents down. It was snowing last night when we came in, and I think we made the best of it. Kind of working our way toward the last full day of our hunt. It's been a bit of a challenge, I'm not gonna lie to you. The old weather beat us down a little bit. We found some elk, but we didn't find the numbers we were hoping for in this hunt. But we had some close calls, had some bugling, had some action, and maybe we'll bump into some more. Day 953 on the Elk Mountains. We're a little bit punch drunk right now, but we're convinced there's a big bull over here somewhere that wants to play. So we're throwing everything but the kitchen sink at it right now. Well, guys, we're pumped. We just heard our first bugle, and we just made eye contact with elk on our last day of the hunt. They're about 900 yards out in front of us. I'm gonna try to get the camera on them, but they're a long ways. Are you still seeing them? Bits and pieces? Yeah, right at the peak, right at the high point. Okay, in the timber. Well, we're back to the truck after 6 days on the mountain and 5 days hunting. We did not fill the Cordova cooler, but we filled our hearts with memories and our mind with information that we can utilize next time on the mountain up in this country.